In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add signature in Proton Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your signature settings, how to write a clean professional sign-off, and how to save it so it appears automatically on your emails. Start by opening Proton Mail in your browser and landing on your inbox. Once you're in, turn your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This is the column that shows your mailbox sections. In that sidebar, look for the area labeled Folders. That's your anchor point for getting into the mail settings you need. Next to Folders, you'll see a small gear icon. Click that gear. This is a quick shortcut into Proton's mail configuration. If your window is narrow and you don't immediately see the gear, try widening the browser or hovering over the sidebar so icons appear. After you click it, you'll be taken to the mail settings page. On this page, scroll until you find the section called Identity and Addresses, then select it. This is the place where Proton groups everything related to who you are, to your recipients, your display name, your email addresses, and the signature that will be appended to your messages. It's the right spot for creating a consistent branded sign-off. Inside Identity and Addresses, look for the area labeled Display Name and Signature for the address you want to update. If you use more than one address in Proton, you'll see each one listed here with its own controls, so make sure you're editing the correct identity before you type. Click into the signature field and type your new signature. A strong signature typically includes a friendly closing, your name, and optionally your role or organization, plus a link to a website or profile if that's relevant. Keep it concise and easy to read. Proton's editor lets you format text, such as bolding your name or adding line breaks, so you can make it tidy without overloading it. For privacy and security, avoid including sensitive details like personal phone numbers or private email addresses unless you truly need to share them. When your signature looks good, click Update to save your changes. If the button isn't active, double check that you've actually modified the field. After you update, you'll see confirmation that your address settings are updated, which means Proton has stored your new sign-off. From now on, when you compose an email from that address, Proton Mail will insert your saved signature automatically at the bottom of the message. That's it! Your signature is set, professional, and ready to go. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sending more polished emails with Proton Mail.